Welcome back. Welcome to my exam coaching classes. So today we are going to solve some of the very important previously asked Cbse questions from chapter 7 coordinate geometry. Okay, so here is your first question. Show that the points 3, 2, 0, 5, minus 3, 2 and 0, minus 1 are the vertices of a square. So one of the very important questions selected from chapter 7 coordinate geometry. So we need to find out, we need to prove that these are the coordinates of a square. So when we draw a square ABCD and we take these points in order 3, 2, then 0, 5, minus 3, 2 and 0, minus 1. These are the vertices of the square. We need to show that it is a square. For a square, we need to prove that all four sides are equal and their diagonals are also equal. These two things you need to prove. All the four sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. So four sides are equal, we can prove it using distance formula. And similarly, we have to prove that the diagonals of a square are also equal. So let us solve one by one. What is side AB? Side AB. Side AB using distance formula under root. What is the formula? x2 minus x1 all square plus y2 minus y1 all square. So AB is equal to what? Under root x2 minus x1, 0 minus 3 all square, that is 3 square, minus 3 all square, plus y2 minus y1, 5 minus 2 all square, 3 square. So you got 3 square is 9, 3 square is 9, 9 plus 9, 18, root 18. So this can be written as 3 root 2. 9 into 2, so 9 root will come out 3 root 2. So we got AB. Let us find out what is BC now. BC is equal to x2 minus x1 all square, that is minus 3 minus 0, minus 3 all square, plus y2 minus y1 all square, 2 minus 5 minus 3 all square. So again we got 9 plus 9, 18, again 3 root 2. Let us find out this side, CD. CD equal to under root x2 minus x1 all square, 0 minus minus 3, 3 square, minus 1 minus 2, minus 3 square. So again we found that 3 square plus 3 square, 18, so 3 root 2. And the last AD, AD is equal to x2 minus x1 all square, so under root 3 square, y2 minus 1 minus y1 all square, 2 minus minus 1, that is 2 plus 1, 3 square. So again we found that it is 18, so 3 root 2. So the first part is over. We have already proved that all the four sides are equal. All the four sides are equal. We have seen 3 root 2, 3 root 2, 3 root 2, 3 root 2. That means all four sides are equal. So the first part to prove that it is a square, correct. Now we need to prove that the diagonals are also equal, then we can confirm that it is a square. So let us see what is the diagonal. Here the first diagonal, that is BD. BD is equal to under root x2 minus x1, that is 0 minus 0, 0 square, 5 minus minus 1, 5 minus minus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 square. So you got this as root of 6 square, 36, which is equal to 6. Now let us see what is second diagonal AC. AC equal to under root minus 3 all square, that is minus 3 minus 6 all square, plus 2 minus 2, 0 square. So this again we got root 36 equal to 6. So from all these things we found that these points are the vertices of a square because we got all the four sides are equal and both the diagonals are equal. So finally you can conclude your answer. Since all the four sides are equal and the diagonals are also equal, these 4 points are the vertices of a square. So this way you can solve, and this is a sure shot 3-mark question in your board exam. Kindly note it. Here is your next question. Find a point on x-axis which is equidistant from a 4, -3 and b 0, 11. 2 points are given to you, a and b, and you have to find a point on x-axis which is at equal distance from these 2 given points. So we know, students, any point which is taken on x-axis, its ordinate y value will be 0. Any point if you take on x-axis, the y value will be 0. Y value, I am talking about x-axis. Any point you take on x-axis, y value, that is ordinate, will be 0. So you have to find out a point on x-axis which is at equal distance from these 2 points. So let us draw like this. Here you have a point P. Here you have a point P. And let us take this point P is x, 0. Why I am taking x, 0? I should take it as x, y. But in the question it is given the point is on x-axis. When the point lies on x-axis, the y value becomes 0. So instead of x, y, I can take the point as x, 0. Now this point is equidistant from these 2 points. Equidistant means they are at equal distance. So these 2 points A and B are at equal distance. So A is given to you 4, -3 and B is given to you 0, 11. If they are at equal distance, then using distance formula we can say the length AP will be equal to length BP. So using that I can write AP is equal to BP. That means AP square will be equal to BP square. Let us apply some distance formula here. So what is AP square? These 2 points, x2 minus x1 all square, that is x minus 4 all square plus y2 minus y1, 0 minus -3, 0 plus 3 all square, equal to these 2 points, x2 minus x1, x minus 0 all square plus 0 minus 11, 0 minus 11 all square. When I expand it, I'll get a minus b all square, a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 3 square is 9 equal to x square plus 11 square 121. Just cancel x square and x square both the sides. Here I have minus 8x. Then here I have 16 plus 9, 25. If I take this 25 to that side, it becomes 121 minus 25. So minus 8x is equal to 96. So x is equal to 96 minus 8x minus 8. It becomes minus 12. So I got x value minus 12. Put the value of x here, you got the point. So what is the point? X, 0, the point x equal to minus 12. So minus 12, 0 is the required point. So in your question, we need to find out the point on x-axis which is at equal distance from these 2 given points. So the point which is required here is minus 12, 0. Minus 12, 0 is a point lies on x-axis. So kindly note it.